Are you having trouble with media upload quality on WhatsApp app? If your photos or videos are uploaded in low quality, the HD option isn't available, or the selected upload quality isn't being applied, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp app. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp. Then in this page, you will find this sign on above of three dots. And here in this page, you will click on settings. Then you will enter to this page of we'll go to this page of storage and data, and here in this window you will find the auto or media upload quality, and you will choose your quality. So please don't forget to